hate lines and big fines. So please don't talk to me in line when I'm just trying to buy pork rinds. Yeah, I hate fines. Me standing here is not a sign. And I hate to whine. But please don't try talking to me when I'm in line. Yeah, I hate lines. I don't want to small talk, I'm just fine. So there's no need to intertwine. I just don't like to wait. And I know it's ironic because I'm always late. So please don't talk to me in line, because I don't have time to debate. No, I won't take the bait. Man, I hate lines, especially when they're curved like spines. I think I just ran out of rhymes. But that's okay because I think you got the point. Please don't talk to me when I'm in line. Yeah, I hate lines. Thank you.